This approach is exactly why the Shine continues to be trusted by millions of riders. Introduction, a commuter icon retorns. The Shine series has long been one of the most trusted commuter motorcycles, produced by Honda Motor Company. For 2026, the Shine 125 continues its mission of delivering dependable, daily transportation with subtle improvements in performance, efficiency, and rider comfort. This motorcycle is built for real-world riders, students, office commuters, and anyone who needs a smooth and economical ride for everyday travel. Designed simple, clean, and practical, the 2026 Honda Shine 125 keeps its signature commuter styling while adding a more premium finish. The fuel tank design looks sharper, chrome accents feel more refined, and the graphics are cleaner than before. The long, comfortable seat remains one of the Shine's biggest strengths. Designed for both rider and passenger comfort, the upright riding posture ensures less fatigue during long, daily rides. This is not a bike designed to show off. It's designed to make daily travel easier. Fuel efficiency built for daily savings. Fuel economy is one of the biggest reasons riders choose the Shine 125. The 2026 model continues to deliver impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective option for daily transportation. Efficient combustion technology helps riders travel longer distances while spending less on fuel. For commuters who ride every day, this makes a real difference over time. The Shine isn't just about getting somewhere. It's about getting there economically. Comfort and ride quality made for city roads. Comfort has always been a Shine strength. The suspension setup absorbs bumps easily, and the lightweight chassis makes the bike easy to control in traffic. Whether navigating narrow streets or riding through busy urban roads, the Shine feels stable and predictable. The braking system provides confident stopping power, which is essential for daily commuting. The overall riding experience feels relaxed and dependable. Conclusion: the everyday motorcycle done right. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 proves that a commuter motorcycle doesn't need to be complicated to be great. With reliable performance, comfortable ergonomics, strong fuel efficiency, and trusted engineering, it remains one of the smartest choices for daily riders. It's not built to impress for a moment. It's built to perform for years. And that's what truly makes the Honda Shine 125 special. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be perfect. In a world full of aggressive designs and high-powered machines, this motorcycle focuses on reliability, comfort, and everyday performance. Millions of riders trust the Shine name for one simple reason: it just works every single day. The new 2026 model refines that legacy with smoother performance, smarter fuel efficiency, and modern styling that keeps it fresh without losing its identity. If you want a commuter motorcycle that feels effortless to ride and affordable to maintain, the 2026 Shine 125 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Engine performance smooth and reliable. At the heart of the Shine 125 is a refined 125cc single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth acceleration and consistent performance. The engine focuses on balance rather than speed, delivering predictable power in city traffic conditions. The gearbox feels light and precise, making gear changes effortless even in stop-and-go traffic. Honda's engineering ensures minimal vibration, which makes the ride feel calm and controlled. This is exactly the kind of engine commuters depend on year after year. Features practical modern updates. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 includes practical updates that improve usability. Without overcomplicating the motorcycle, the instrument cluster remains easy to read, and the controls are simple and intuitive. Honda focuses on durability and reliability, rather than unnecessary technology, which keeps maintenance simple and affordable.